I've always wanted to be rich, driving around in a Bugatti to go to my private jet and fly to one of my mansions anywhere in the world. And this was me way back in the day, money hungry from the start. And this is me today, driving around in my shitty car going to my middle class home in the Midwest. Two of my hubcaps literally got stolen off of this thing, but a wise man once said, in order to get rich, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. So in this video, we're gonna copy $1 million poster business to see if we too can get rich.
Hey, quit screwing around. Hey.
So the whole way I even stumbled across this idea was from a video by Humphrey Yang. He explained how he started a canvas business back in the day, selling maps of cities like this by screenshotting how it looks on Google Maps, adding some fun design work, and selling them for $55 with the cost of $30 shipped. By marketing his product with Instagram influencers and Facebook ads, Humphrey was able to generate $1.7 million over a 3-year span. And with his 45% profit margin, that's around $772,000 profit, or it averages out to around $257,000 each year. I hope you don't mind, Humphrey, but since you sold the business almost 4 years ago now, we're gonna give this a shot. So the first thing I did was go to Fiverr.com and pay a designer $100 to create our first 5 designs. He seemed to have some pretty good work in the past, and after just 24 hours, he sent me these first few designs. One for Chicago, one for Paris, one for New York, and 2 more for Vegas and LA. No specific reason as to why I picked these cities to start, except for the one with Chicago, since I live about an hour or so away from there, and I had an idea to later in this video sell some of those Chicago canvases on the street. But now for manufacturing the product, we're going to go to Gelato.com. This is a print-on-demand supplier that makes and ships your orders, and they have some pretty high-quality stuff. Since the goal for this brand is to go a bit more premium, I don't mind spending more money per unit to get a better product in the end. So on that note, our cost per unit is around $30, which is similar to Humphrey in the beginning. And then I also want to sell these 12 by 18 inch posters with hangers, and our cost per unit is around $20 shipped on these. Our inventory is officially ordered, and thankfully Gelato gives you 50% off your first order if you click the top link down below and place your first order within 3 days of account creation. But while we wait for our inventory to come in 4 to 7 business days, the next step is to get working on our website. Now to do this, you don't have to be some coding genius like Mark Zuckerberg, as all I did was go to Shopify, I paid $1 for a 90-day free trial, and then I integrated our sleek looking website with Gelato, my product supplier. It's now been a couple of days, and as you guys can see, the website is now officially done. With the invention of ChatGPT, I literally had it write out all of my product descriptions, my privacy policy, my shipping policy, my return policy, and a bunch of other text on the website. Soon enough, it'll get to a point where AI will be doing pretty much everything.
You got your phones and your AI, and you kids haven't learned to be able to actually do anything.
But moving on, the next thing we're gonna do is set up some Facebook ads. For a product like we're selling, I think Instagram and Facebook ads is definitely gonna be the move, since our product can be marketed with a simple photo like this or like this, and we're gonna start the ads in a campaign at $100 per day. And that budget is gonna be split up between 5 ad sets, each for a different one of the canvases I'm selling. But literally right as I publish the Facebook ads, it now says up here that my ad account has been disabled. Typical Facebook issue, but while we wait for the ads to start running, hopefully within 24 hours, we got a little surprise at the front door. I believe this is all the inventory I ordered. So it looks like we have not 1, but 3 packages to open up. So let's take our packages to the office and get unboxing. Starting things off with this first package here, I've got my handy knife to go ahead and start opening some of this stuff up. Now getting this first package open, I'm really excited to see what's inside, and boom, we've got some Chicago canvas prints. I ended up ordering 5 of these because, as I mentioned, I plan to sell them on the streets of Chicago. So in this first box, we have 3 of the 5 Chicago prints. Getting into this second box, it looks like we have something a little bit different. We got a bunch of paper we got to get out of the way, and boom, we have a nice little New York canvas print. We have a Paris canvas print, and then finally, we got the Las Vegas canvas print, and everything is pretty securely packaged. This is good quality. Like, I would totally hang this up in my house. Really, really good stuff. So let's go ahead and open up this final package next. I'm excited to see what's inside this one. I already know 2 of them are gonna be the Chicago prints. It came in so quick that I actually remember what I ordered. We got another Chicago print, a little Los Angeles print, and then finally, another Chicago print. I really like ordering the inventory I'm trying to sell in person. Like you guys can see, I have plenty of stuff to go ahead and market our inventory, and this is gonna be especially good for the TikTok content because I have a few ways I wanna advertise this
on TikTok, and having our product here in person is gonna be crucial.
A lot of people who do a business like mine go with local suppliers, which are usually a bit more expensive in turn for faster shipping times and better quality. But with Gelato, you kind of get the best of both worlds as they work with 130 local partners across 32 different countries, which helps them deliver high quality prints to your customer base, usually within about a week.
But on that note, guys, it is now 11 a.m. the next day. The office is kind of a mess, as you can see, but we have a lot of work to get done, so let's get started.
Checking in on the Facebook ads first, it looks like we're still banned, which kind of sucks, but we can't let that stop us. And earlier today, I went to Target to buy 2 blank canvases for a TikTok idea I had. The goal is to post 10 TikToks on this page today, and if one of them can blow up, that'll be huge. After a few hours of filming, to my surprise, the TikTok page ended up doing really well. I ended up converting one of my extra theme pages laying around into the company page, and within just a couple hours, we have 4,000 views on one of our videos, and the other ones are nearing 1,000 views. And on top of that, we also got our first sale on the website.
Let's go, baby. Yet another sale. That's literally the 3rd sale in less than an hour, which seems absolutely crazy, but 2 of the TikTok videos have been blowing up. One of them has had over 20,000 views, and between all of them, I think we're at over 30K on the day. And I know some of you guys might be like, oh, that's because this page had like 40,000 followers to start out with, but no, this page has been dead for like 2 years, and it was in a completely different niche before I switched it.
And don't get me wrong, you can always start out with a fresh page with 0 followers for an e-commerce brand. I just recommend buying 1,000 followers to start out with from a website like TikFame or socialboosting.com so you can get enough followers for that link in bio feature. And also, if your page has, I believe, 5,000 followers from original content, you can sign up for something known as TikTok Shop as a seller. This allows you to link your website to the TikTok platform, making it easy for people to buy your product with just 1 click. I've been trying this feature out for about a month, promoting different products as an affiliate, and it's pretty crazy how much higher the conversion is to sales.
As an example, on this random page I've gotten almost no views. I've barely put any effort into it at all, but when you go up here to creator tools and then click TikTok Shop for creator, you guys can see we've generated some sales.
This day finished off with nearly $300 in sales, and on the next day, our Facebook ad account got reinstated.
So guys, Facebook just reinstated our account for advertising, but honestly, I'm kind of chilling. There's no reason to risk spending money with a platform or honestly a person that I don't normally have luck working with if the TikTok method keeps working out for us.
We all know what you did to your business partners in the past from the movie The Social Network.
You have part of my attention. You have the minimum amount.
So my plan for the morning is to make 5 or 6 really high quality videos promoting both the Vegas and Paris canvases, since those seem to be selling the best.
And now that these videos are officially created and posted on our page, we are going to drive to Chicago to sell these canvases on the street. As promised, we're out here in Chicago and we've got our canvases in front of me. As you can see on the table, we did not only bring the Chicago canvases out, we've got the Paris one, the New York, the Los Angeles, the Vegas. We're gonna see how many we can sell using this sign. We're selling them for $40. Wish me luck. We'll see how it goes today. How are you doing? Do you think these designs look good?
Yeah, they look good.
We got some Chicago ones, Paris.
Ooh, what Paris?
Yeah, Paris right there.
That look good. All 3.
Thank you. They liked them at least, right? It's cold today. What's going on? Yeah, good.
Get out of here, man. How you doing?
I'm Will.
Oh, you on Snapchat?
Oh, you do?
Yes.
That's awesome. We're doing a video selling some canvases.
I got you.
Yeah. Well, thanks for watching. Of course. Yeah, bye. Imagine seeing me out and about doing exactly what you'd think I'd be doing. That's kind of funny. But hey, that motivated me to try and sell some of these. I'm doing this for my boy. Got some canvases for sale today. Great thing to hang up in your house. Christmas present. The maps are more accurate than Google Maps, actually. You can use it.
You have a lighter.
A lighter. Do you have a lighter? It's too windy. Got it? Perfect. There you go. They're the best canvases in the game.
We were out in the cold for hours trying to sell these canvases.
Got some canvases for sale. You can use it as a map too. It's pretty sick.
And a security guard even walked right past us.
Hey, we chillin'.
It all seemed down until we got our lucky break.
We've got some canvases for sale. Good Christmas present or whatever, yeah.
We have cash though.
We have like Cash App and Venmo.
I have Zelle.
I think I have Zelle. Which one?
Maybe the Paris one.
The Paris one?
Yeah, so I want that one. I don't know if I should get the Chicago one. I don't know if I should have it hung up. Well, I don't know. That's the thing. I will take one.
Okay.
I'll take a Chicago. It doesn't matter.
Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you. Sent.
You have a good one. Thank you. So we just got our first 2 sales in 1. I told you, my filmer was like, it's not looking good. Things might not work out, but we just sold our first 2 canvases. That's the thing about business. People always say you have to have the right enemy. People not believing in you makes you want to have sales. Yeah, we got a few different ones. Chicago, New York. We had a Paris one, but that got sold.
Do the one with Chicago.
Chicago? Well, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
And in total on the day, we made $120, learned to face a lot of rejection, which is important as an entrepreneur because not every venture, not every moment is going to be a success. And we got to see a little bit of that in this video. But nonetheless, it's been a couple of days of continuing to sell the canvases online. And as you guys can see, we hit nearly $500 in sales with $218.34 of profit. At about $45 profit for selling the canvases on the street. And we made a whopping $263.34 within a week of opening up the doors on a brand new online business. The only other expense we had was for the Shopify trial, which is $1 for the first 90 days, and you guys can check that out down below. 3,000 likes on this video for a part 2 because I honestly want to see how far I can take this business. And don't forget to show some love to the sponsor Gelato and get started with your very own print-on-demand business at the top link down below. Peace out.